Welcome guys, so today I am with MacBook Pro and I'm going to show you how you can connect the speaker Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 with your MacBook. So at the first, when you get these buttons, we have to click on the power button to turn it on. After that, this indicator will light up like that. Next, we have to tap on this Bluetooth button to move it to the pairing mode. It will start blinking quickly. Right now we can put it back, and the next step, we have to enable Bluetooth right here, tap on the switcher and then open the Bluetooth preferences. The next step, just select your speaker from devices. As you can see, we are quickly connected. Another step will be right here. We have to simply go for the sound settings. Wait, they are right here, okay. And be sure that you switch from your interior speaker to the external HK Onyx Studio 6. So yeah, that's all. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.